Hello, welcome to my channel Epiceducare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Today we are going to solve problems on profit. Find profit percentage. How can we find profit percentage? Okay. Profit means what? Selling price is greater than cost price. This situation we call profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. So SP is greater than CP. Profit percentage means what? How much profit we take 100 rupees. This profit we call profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP means profit divided by CP into 100. SP minus CP is profit. So profit divided by CP into 100 is the formula for finding profit percentage. Okay. Consider an example. A dealer buys a wristwatch for Rs 225 and spends Rs 15 on its repair. If he sells same for Rs 300, find its profit percentage. How can we find profit percentage? Okay. In this problem, CP means cost price is equal to, this is original price, Rs 225 plus overhead prices. This is called overhead price, Rs 15. So this overhead price is also include cost price. So Rs 25 plus Rs 15 is Rs 240. Okay, this is cost price. Next we consider selling price. Selling price means what? This one, 300. Rs 300 is selling price. Okay. Next we consider, first find out the profit. Profit means what? Profit means what? Equal to SP minus CP. The value of SP is 300 minus CP is 240. Subtract these two, we get 60 rupees. This is profit of problem. Okay, this is profit. Next we consider profit percentage. See, write Rs 16. Next we consider profit percentage. Profit percentage means what? Profit divided by CP into 100. Profit means what? 60 divided by CP means what? 300 into 100. This is 20 cancel. 3 1 left. 3 2 6. 20%. The profit percent is 20%. Okay, this type we solve profit percent.